going to cut the package. There we go. Red and yellow. We do some sprinkles. And we have some more stuff. Some blue, and we have black and purple, and we have some spoon and some shapes. We're gonna make this now. Whoa, sugar. After that disaster, we have dough. Oh, wait. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna make the grand package. Poof. We cut this. Now we're gonna put it inside. You have to mix it really slow, Marwa. Now we're gonna start. Need to use our hand to do it. Now we're going to cut this right size so they can fit in here. Now we're going to put this in here. We're gonna put the donut in.
Not yet. Yep.
This is for the other one.
Yeah. And then grab a custard one. Get a custard one.
Grab a custard one and put it over here.
Yeah.
We don't want to make sure it's raw. We want to make sure it's the right one. We made 2 donuts and we're going back to make more. Hi, we're back and we have 4 donuts and a Timbit. First you're gonna need the blue one and then the red one and then the black one. Well, the stuff is everywhere. Well, we're still okay. Now we're going to get started on the frosting. We're mixing the frosting. Now we did the vanilla frosting, and now we're gonna get started at the strawberry. It smells like strawberry, Marwa.
Yeah, it does.
Now that we're done with the frosting, we're gonna get help with the chocolate sauce. This looks really water.
Careful.
Whoa! Whoa! Sugar.
Now we're going to take the spoon and start mixing.
I will do it.
Okay.
This is how I can do it. Oh wait. Now we finally got everything ready. Now it's time to start decorating. I know all of the colors. I know all of the colors that you told me.
That's right.
I know every single thing that you told me. I know what's machine already.
Cool. Okay. Where else should we put vanilla?
On these sides, and then this one, and then this one side. I want to put the sprinkles on.
Yep, you're gonna put the sprinkles on.
They
Oh.
will say thank you to us.
Here, take some.
Huh?
Sprinkle on top.
I'm gonna taste this one. I'm going to taste.
No, you don't taste them. You put them on the donuts.
I'm trying out if it's good or not. Yep. Oh, the heart fell off. We put chocolate and frosting on and sprinkles and crumbs, and now we're gonna try it.
Trying it with you.
There's not enough breath. You forgot to say thank you to us.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mariah, you're supposed to say you're welcome to her.
You're welcome.
Hit the subscribe button and then hit that big thumbs up and then subscribe on the video again. That's what I can do. Now I'm going to eat the Timbits. Best words ever! I think the word bloody. I think the worst